Welcome to JB Case Analysis, where we uncover powerful business transformations and the leadership lessons behind them. Today, I am talking you on an incredible journey, a story about repairing what is broken and reimagining what is possible. This is the story of Starbucks, a brand that lost its way but found its soul. It's a masterclass in leadership, vision, and resilience led by none other than Howard Schultz. So grab your coffee and settle in. This is going to inspire you. Picture this. It's 2007. Starbucks, the world's most beloved coffee house, has over 13,000 stores. Financially, it's thriving. Revenue is up. Profits are steady. From the outside, it looks untouchable. But Howard Schultz saw the cracks before anyone else. The Starbucks experience. The every essence of the brand was fading. What once felt like a warm neighborhood cafe was becoming a soulless, cookie-cutter chain. Customers were losing their emotional connection, and competitors like Dunkin' Donuts and McDonald's were closing in fast. Schwartz called it the commoditization of Starbucks, and he knew this was not just about coffee. It was about a soul that needed saving. It was time for bold leadership. Howard Schultz, the chairman at the time, wrote a bold memo to Starbucks leadership. He confessed that in the pursuit of growth, Starbucks had diluted its brand. He talked about the commoditization of the Starbucks experience, how operational efficiencies like automated machines and pre-packaged designs were eroding the soul of the brand. His memo was not just a wake-up call, it was a rallying cry. We need to get back to our core, rediscover our heritage, and reignite the passion that makes Starbucks Starbucks. Howard Schultz returned as CEO in 2008, and his first priority was repairing the foundation. Here's what he did, and it was nothing short of bold. Shutting down 7,100 stores. Yes, he closed every US store for a day to retrain employees in the art of making the perfect espresso. It was not just about coffee. It was about sending a message. Quality matters, connection matters, and our standards matter. Closing 600 underperforming stores. Imagine being the CEO who decides to close hundreds of stores. Schultz knew it was painful but necessary to preserve the brand's integrity. It was about cutting the dead wood so the rest of the tree could flourish. Reviving the coffee theater. Starbucks introduced new Mastrina espresso machines, sleek, low-profile designs that allowed employees to connect with customers while crafting each cup. It brought back the magic, the humanity, the soul of Starbucks. Repairing was just a beginning. Schwartz didn't stop there. He knew Starbucks needed to evolve. So he reimagined its future. Here's how he did it. Pike Place Roast. Starbucks created a smooth, consistent blend named after its first store. It was a direct response to customer feedback and a reminder that Starbucks listens. Starbucks via instant coffee. Schwartz brought premium coffee to busy, on-the-go consumers with a product that redefined instant coffee. It was innovative, practical, and perfectly on brand. Ethical sourcing and sustainability. Starbucks doubled down on its commitment to responsible sourcing and environmental stewardship. This was not just about good public relationing. It was about aligning with the values of a new generation of conscious consumers. Local store designs. Schwartz reintroduced individuality into store design, ensuring they reflected the character of the communities they serve. Each store was not just a place to grab coffee, it became a community hub. What makes this story extraordinary is not just what Schwartz did. it's how he did it. Here are 3 leadership lessons from Starbucks transformation. Face the brutal truths. Schultz recognized that Starbucks had lost its essence. He was not afraid to confront the hard truths and take bold action to address them. Recommit to your core values. Repairing Starbucks was not about shiny new things. It was about getting back to what made it special: quality, connection, and care. Reimagine with purpose. Schultz didn't just fix what was broken. He looked ahead, from new products to sustainability initiatives. Starbucks redefined itself for the future without losing its identity. This was not just about survival. It was about rediscovery and reinvention. Starbucks' journey reminds us that true leadership is not just about managing success. It's about navigating challenges with courage and vision. So here's my challenge for you. What can you repair and reimagine in your organization, your team, or even in your life? The answers may hold the key to your greatest transformation. Thank you for joining me on this inspiring journey. If this story sparked something in you, share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more transformational insights. Until next time, this is Gibran Bashir, reminding you to lead with purpose, passion, and a vision that inspires. Cheers.